Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I have another awesome unboxing for you guys. Today I have a package from Zephyr Models. They are a 3D printed model aircraft GSE seller. Mostly sell on eBay, as far as I know. They reached out to me on their Instagram page, which I will link all their stuff below, guys. And they decided to send me some stuff. So this was sent to me for free. But I'm going to make a video as well on this, guys, so disclaimer here. Very excited to unbox this, guys. Let's go take a look. All the way from San Francisco, California. All right, guys, this thing looks like it's packed with awesome stuff. I'm so excited. Looks like we do have an ILS box here. That's super cool. Wow, guys, look at this. Regional boarding ramp. Look at all the detail on that. Okay, I like this. Just in case you guys wanted to see their logo too, here it is. Super cool, I actually like it. And I guess, yeah, so these are the prices of what they would cost. So thank you so much, Zephyr Models, for sending me these. Wow, absolutely amazing here. I don't know what's in here, so definitely really excited to see that. We have the Amazon sample pack here, so we'll check this out as well. I believe, yeah, they are going to be selling on Amazon soon too, so that's super cool. Let's unbox these guys. On opening this box here, we can see we have realistic 1/400 scale airport vehicles here. That's super cool. I think it's like a flyer. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that, Zephyr Models. I always love seeing the different logos here. Oh, guys, this is fancy. Look at the packaging on this. And looks like it slides across. I love these stickers too. And I like that they also put their logo on here too. Pull here. Okay, and that will open that up there. All right, everybody, this might be probably one of the coolest unboxings I've ever done on this channel. Here we go. Look at that. What a clever way. And here we have it. Look at this variety. What? You got cones, you got ground crew workers, buses, operational vehicles, boarding. Gosh, it's been a long day, guys. I'm sorry. You got tugs, guys. You got belt loaders. You got food trucks. Looks like some taxis of some sort. Luggage. Even like little like barricade things or something. Guys, this is awesome. Go check Zephyr Models out here on their page here. I'm definitely going to get these things below unboxed too. Wow. Thank you so much, Zephyr Models, for sending me this. Guys, you got to check these guys out. Wow, this thing is packed with stuff. So just from this little package here, I got all of these here. Look at this, guys. Like these little ambulances too. Wow. There's just so much variety here to take in, to be honest with you guys. Like, look at all this. There's so much details. Definitely going to be adding these to my model airports, especially Las Vegas that I got coming this week, guys. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, guys, here is a detailed look at all the products here. Going to be taking them out and putting them on my layout here very soon. Look at this. Definitely can use these for my Delta and United aircraft. I really like that they're doing cones and people too. That's a big thing that I think a lot of GSE needs more of here, are cones and people. It just adds a lot of realism, especially the baggage too. It really adds to it, like I said. So that's a big thing we need more of. So thank you, Zephyr Models, for making more of this. Definitely going to have to get more cones from you guys in the future too. I'm going to need like 10 more packs of these guys. Again, I don't want to dump this out everywhere because I have a layout coming here soon, but as you guys can see in here, some fire trucks as well as some field trucks. You literally have everything. This is definitely the kit to get if you want to get if you guys want to have just like a variety of things for your layout, then I would purchase this. This is the Amazon sample pack here. Here's one of the buses up close too. Wow guys, what an awesome unboxing here today. I am going to put a lot of this on my new Las Vegas layout that I do have coming this Saturday. So stay tuned guys, just one day from now and we will have, I'm actually going to put all this out on there. So you guys will be able to see this all on display. It's just too chaotic right now in here because I'm doing a lot of the RC airplanes and stuff guys. So I'm going to take the wings off my 737 because I just painted it, added some shiny to it too. So you guys know what's going on. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to move this aircraft here, move Honolulu, and we'll have Las Vegas going right here. So that's the plan right now. So that's what's going on there, guys. But anyways, thank you. Shout out to Zephyr Models here. And thank you for sending me this amazing setup here of all your products. I'm going to be showing a second video here of each individual item out on my Las Vegas airport. So this will be a two-part video series here. So yes guys, hope you enjoyed this unboxing so far, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting. Zephyr Models links will be below in the video guys. Shout out Model Airport Nation guys. See you in the next video. Happy collecting.